So what we are going to do is change the cabin air filters. Should be changed every 2 years. So we are going to the screen, service, scroll here a bit until we see maintenance. So we are here. It's not the HEPA filter, that's in the front. That's a bit more difficult to do it yourself. The cabin air filter should be a little bit easier to do. So we're going to hit this. So these are the two filters. There are two filters. And they're supposed to be underneath this one. So we removed quite carefully, the two panels. I think that's the part where the filters are situated. We should remove that part. Don't know yet what to do, but we'll see. So I guess they made it a little bit easier now because I see movies or videos on YouTube. It's a little bit more difficult. You don't have to lose something, you just have to do this and remove this, and you can see the filter here, so you can remove it. So filter one. Now we go to the other one. So oops, oh, quite easy to do. Don't touch the cables. So it's empty, and now we put the new filters in it. So I was a bit worried about this filter because is that the foresight or is that the front side? I don't know. Normally there's an indication here, but here there's a after sales product. Apparently it isn't there. So, but we have a reference, and this is how we can verify it, I think. So we can put it in that opening here. The first one. So, oops. And let it go. Voila. So everything is there. I think it's alright. Now should be easy, I think. Voila. So should be careful about these things. And this one, these cables shouldn't be damaged. So we will put this back in place. So these are the old filters. They seem to be in a relatively good condition. Should this part back in place, the right plugs. Going back to the screen, service, maintenance, and confirm. So July 9th, 2026, done.